We're going to show you how to disassemble your vacuum if it gets clogged or if you just need to take something off and replace it. And we're making this video because we spent hours and hours of our life and
so
you don't have
to.
We have a DC65. All the DC ball vacuums are pretty similar, so if you watch this video, it's probably going to help you out one way or another, right, Mila? Research on how to fix this thing when it gets clogged. And we're going to show you guys quick and easy so you guys don't have to waste your life like we did waste ours, right, kids?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm going to show you the first thing. The basic one is pushing this button right here, and that disconnects the tank. Okay, next, to take it and hover it over the garbage, you are going to push it extremely hard, and then it will disconnect the bottom chamber. This lever down, you see what's happening is that mechanism goes down, and sometimes the door jams. That disconnects right there. So we need to point out that this button right here that disconnects this is hidden behind this red thing. So if you can't find it, don't go crazy. There's a little button here, and this will disconnect the transparent tank section from the purple section that you see. Alright, there we go. That disconnects that so for cleaning and if it gets really clogged. There you go. You can brush this section up here. There's like a little vent. This will actually slow your suction down if you're not getting good suction. It's like a little mesh, so what you want to do is either vacuum it with another vacuum or take a little like toothbrush style thing and clean all that filter here. Also, when you clip this piece up here and you go inside, and you can then remove another filter. These parts all can be found on eBay or Amazon if you want replacement parts. Fairly cheaper than getting them direct from Dyson, but beware, there are a lot of knockoffs out there. That's everything you need to know about this section here to get better suction. Next, over here, I'm going to show you guys, there is a little flip thing where you can get inside of here. And a lot of people don't know this. This one is hard to get off. I've already undone it. Let me flip this down. There's a little clip, and what you're going to do is clip it forward and pull it out. It's a little tough. I can't do it with one hand, so I already have it separated for you. This will allow you to peek inside of here, and it looks like a little U shape. So if you have something stuck there, you could almost see my finger in there, but it just goes up and around like that. The handle from the hose right here. Pull, kid. Pull, 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 pull. Alright, now you can look directly straight into the tube if you have something stuck in there. Also over here, and there is one more little section here where we're going to push the clip. Pull it. Pull it, Mila, my assistant. And there you go. You can get inside this tube, and I'm just trying to show you guys for cleaning purposes because this thing gets plugged all the time. Next, there is a hidden filter here, and you're going to turn this thing counterclockwise to get inside of this other filter. And if you do this about once every 3 months, you'll get really good suction. You'll notice the difference immediately. But you never know what part's going to be clogged. That twists and you pull it out. So you got a filter there. I've never had to change this in the 2 years that I've had it. It just doesn't get that dirty. I'll show you how to get into this section here if this area gets clogged. So you're going to twist these counterclockwise until you hear a little snap. They got to be directly facing this way. If you just do them a little bit, it's not going to do it. You got to go over that little red clip here that will disconnect this area here from your ball. What you need to do is push down like that, and the little clip bounces off. Let me get it for you guys. Show you guys what it looks like. That's what it looks like. Now you'll be able to disconnect this area here, and you now have this disconnected for cleaning, and you can see inside of there if there's something clogged in there. Now to disconnect this, it should just open right up because you've unclipped these little sections. So now you have that loose. And you can take a scissors right here and cut all the hair, which I've already done about a week ago. Okay, now that you've got your entire vacuum disassembled, I think this should allow you to get into every section of the vacuum for cleaning, right? What do you want to say, Mila?
Thanks for watching.
Bye-bye. Give me a thumbs up.